Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee without a coffee maker, updated. Start by boiling water and using medium coarse grounds to steep like a manual pour-over. Use a clean pot or kettle, time the steep for about 3 to 4 minutes, then pour through a fine sieve or cloth. Adjust coffee dose and steep time to taste, and always taste test each batch to tune your preferred strength and flavor. For stovetop methods, heat water gently and add grounds for a short steep, then remove from heat before pouring through a filter. A small pot works well and mimics a manual brew, while a brief rest lets flavors develop without over-extraction. Pour slowly through a fine mesh or cloth to trap most grounds, and transfer to a warmed mug. Taste and tweak grind size or steep time for cleaner results each time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts as long as your morning ritual. They pair surprisingly well with bare feet and good coffee routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Cold brew is forgiving. Mix coarse grounds with cold water, refrigerate or room steep 12 to 24 hours, then strain for a smooth concentrate. Instant coffee is a handy fallback when gear is missing, dissolving quickly in hot or cold water. For cold brew concentrate, dilute with water or milk to taste and keep it chilled up to 1 week. Both options give you reliable coffee without specialized equipment or fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.